是再毫無道理，與你永遠亦連在一起。你不放下我，我不放下你，我想確定每日玩着同樣一雙臂，不必挑選我們成大戲，當我兩個並無冒險的福氣，見盡了雲湧風起，還怎麼捨得放下你？我們仍珍惜這啖氣。在淡出，終於只有你共我一起，仍然自問幸福，雖說有陣時為你生氣。其實以前和你互相不懂得死心塌地，直到共你渡過多災世紀。即使身邊世事再毫無道理，與你永遠亦連在一起。你不放下我，我不放下你，我想確定每日挽住同樣的手臂，不敢早死要來陪住你。我已試夠別離並不很凄美，我還如何撇下你？年華像細水沖走幾個愛人與知己，抬頭命運射燈光柱找下來，剩我跟你。難道有人離去是想顯出好光陰有限，讓我學會為你貪生怕死。即使身邊世事再毫無道理，與你永遠亦連在一起。你不放下我，我不放下你，我想確定每日挽住同樣的手臂，不敢早死要來陪住你。我已試夠別離並不很凄美，見盡了雲湧風起，還怎麼捨得放下你？證明愛人有愛己，何以要那麼悲壯才合理？即使身邊世事再毫無道理，與你永遠亦連在一起。你不放下我，我不放下你，我想確定每日挽着同樣一雙臂，不必挑選我們成大戲，當我兩個並無冒險的福氣，見盡了雲湧風起，還怎麼捨得放下你？我們仍珍惜這啖氣。 在淡出，終於只有你共我一起，仍然自問幸福，雖說有陣時為你生氣。其實以前和你互相不懂得死心塌地，直到共你渡過多災世紀。即使身邊世事再毫無道理，與你永遠仍連在一起。你不放下我，我不放下你，我想確定每日挽住同樣的手臂，不敢早死要來陪住你。我已試夠別離並不很凄美，我話如何撇下你。年華像細水沖走幾個愛人與知己，抬頭命運射燈光柱找下來，剩我跟你。難道有人離去是想顯出好光陰有限，讓我學會為你貪生怕死。即使身邊世事再毫無道理，與你永遠仍連在一起。你不放下我，我不放下你，我想確定每日挽住同樣的手臂，不敢早死要來陪住你。我已試夠別離並不很凄美，見盡了雲湧風起，還怎麼捨得放下你？證明愛人有愛己，何以要那麼悲壯才合理？即使身邊世事再毫無道理，與你永遠亦連在一起。你不放下我，我不放下你，我想確定每日挽着同樣一雙臂，不必挑選我們成大器，當我兩個並無冒險的福氣。見盡了雲湧風起，還怎麼捨得放下你？我們仍珍惜這啖氣。旁人在淡出，終於只有你共我一起，仍然自問幸福，雖說有陣時為你生氣。其實以前和你互相不懂得死心塌地，直到共你渡過多災世紀。即使身邊世事再毫無道理，與你永遠仍連在一起。你不放下我，我不放下你，我想確定每日挽住同樣的手臂，不敢早死要來陪住你。我已試夠別離並不很 凄美。我还如何撇下你？年华像细水冲走几个爱人如知己，抬头命运射灯光柱找下来，剩我跟你。难道有人离去是想显出好光阴有限？让我学会为你贪生怕死。即使身边世事再毫无道理，与你永远亦连在一起。你不放下我，我不放下你。我想确定每日挽住同样的手臂，不敢早是要来陪住你。我已试够别离并不很凄美，见尽了云涌风起，还怎么舍得放下你？证明爱人有爱己，何以要那么悲壮才合理？即使身边世事再毫无道理，与你永远亦连在一起。你不放下我，我不放下你。我想确定每日挽着同样一双臂，不必挑选我们成大器。当我两个并无冒险的福气，见尽了云涌风起，还怎么舍得放下你？我们仍珍惜这啖气。旁人在淡出，終於只有你共我一起。仍然自問幸福，雖說有陣時為你生氣。其實以前和你互相不懂得死心塌地，直到共你渡過多災世紀。即使身邊世事再毫無道理，與你永遠亦連在一起。你不放下我，我不放下你。我想確定每日挽住同樣的手臂，不敢早死要來陪住你。我已試夠別離並不很凄美，我還如何撇下你？年華像細水沖走幾個愛人如知己，抬頭命運射燈光柱找下來，剩我跟你。難道有人離去是想顯出好光陰有限？讓我學會為你貪生怕死。即使身邊世事再毫無道理，與你永遠亦連在一起。你不放下我，我不放下你。我想確定每日挽住同樣 事在毫無道理，與你永遠亦連在一起。你不放下我，我不放下你，我想確定每日玩着同樣一雙臂，不必挑選我們成大器，當我兩個並無冒險的福氣，見盡了雲湧風起，還怎麼捨得放下你？我們仍珍惜這啖氣。
Hello, hello, test.
旁人在淡出，終於只有你共我一起，仍然自問幸福，雖說有陣時為你生氣。其實以前和你互相不懂得死心塌地，直到共你渡過多災世紀。即使身邊世事在
Hello, hello.
道理，與你永遠亦連在一起，你不放下。
Hello. So I think you can hear my voice now. So also let me check the sounds first. Hi, our live will be begin soon. Yeah, welcome to my live. So please, you can share this live to your friend so that they can also see the movement of the glove shares recently, which is very critical point. Okay, thank you. Yes, hi, Mr. Lee, yeah? And Wang, Frederick. Okay, okay. Okay, hi, dear Homely members and the investors. Welcome to my live. This is MG from Homely Chat. So today is August 19th already. Tomorrow is off day, holiday. So today actually have due day and the Friday two trading day to finish this week's trading. So how's your trading now? Before the live, already have some investor, okay, call me to ask some questions. Want to know the move their trading method for their glove shares or for other shares, which is very critical. So my topics today is kind of for okay, today, should we still hold their glove one? Because I know they got a lot of investors a little bit chasing high before, and yesterday after the big rebound, they're kind of weak, make money, make some profits. But today the market is kind of open high and goes low. They're kind of worried. How should we do? This is a topic I will share with you. Okay, hi, Phoebe and the Swing and the Hen. Be a slow. Okay, Ronnie. Okay, nice to see you here. Still, low music. I think you can hear my voice, right? Let me check. I think still have some investor haven't received my message. Let me check a little bit. Excuse me. I think no problem. Okay, let's go on. So before we start, we can share this link out to your friend. Thank you very much. And we also put the stock diagnosis rule in the comments below. Everybody here can diagnose one. And before that, you can share this video to your friends. Just can copy the message I already put in the comment. You can just copy and paste to your friend. Thank you very much. And if you are the first time to watch my live, okay, here is the brief introduction. We will diagnose the US and Malaysia shares, especially US index. I will analyze every time because it's very important and will influence the local market, and more focus on the individual shares in Malaysia market. And if you want to diagnose your share, you can send your share code number and the entry price to 011 1652 7962. Can send your share code number and the entry price to 011 1652 7962. So I've put 3 rules in the comments. First thing, before you put your shares here, can you share this video to your friend? And then second one, each of you can diagnose one share. Okay, thank you. This is disclaimer. This video is purely for study and discussion. So any direct or indirect loss or suffer by any person as a result of reliance on this video shall not be responsible. Okay. And now, okay, we take a look about the first thing of the philosophy of a homely investment index first. So we can take a look about the Dow Jones first, of course. Recently, we know that the US share still remains there, not drop. Even the pandemic keep going on, still remains. And we know that SP 500 also keep hitting new high. Okay, we can take a look about the Dow Jones first. The Dow Jones is still in this sideway. I will make it bigger. Okay, make it bigger. You can use this overbought signal. Okay, this is the day. Okay, this is the day. We still can dot box. I think I can just save this box here, and then next time I can see it automatically. Okay, just save. So you can see it just sideways. Yesterday have slightly down 0.24%. No big news, but we know that the US, okay, the US are considering to release the new stimulus plan, but actually the market kind of ignore slightly down, slightly down. Before, if have a news, okay, one news will one day big rally like that, but recently in the US market is kind of ignoring it, and we can see the profitable effect. Okay, the profitable effect in this multicolor dragon, so down already. Compared to the day before yesterday, last night, the profitable effect decreased 3%. So it's kind of correction here, but it's still strong. Okay, still strong because it's standing above this overbought signal. Means still have a lot of investor overbought and investing in the market. And we know that the US dollars also keep decreasing, right? Keep drop. So many people and the unlimited QE of the federal. So actually many investors they will put the money in the market instead of putting invest other area or just saving, right? And we can also take a look about the Nasdaq. Nasdaq keep new high, you see, keep new high. Even the stimulus plan haven't come out yet. So we see that yesterday have 0.7% increase of this Nasdaq. And we see last time the overbought signal is here already break out lately. Last night already breakout. Before yesterday, we also analyzed having a breakout, but now already breakout, right? Last night breakout, the previous overbought means that correction finished, and the price in the safe uptrend again. in the safe uptrend again. And we can compare to before. Actually, it's a big rally and it's a very bullish one. And we can take a look about the weekly chart or the monthly chart. You see, so strong, right? So strong. Short term also no resistance, and the profitable effect increased to 62%. 62%. So you can read, if you also trade the US shares, you know that US shares, if you focus on the fundamental, actually recent recent years, you kind of make loss, okay? Make very less profit or you lose big, okay? Most of them no good value, no good feedback is including the Buffett, including Buffett's portfolio, you know, right? Last time he sell all the cut loss all the airlines shares, right? So fundamental is not good. All this good share is kind of a grow up or a grow up shares. For example, the technology and also you know the Tesla. All this one is very grown up company. It's not traditional one. Okay, it's not traditional company. So this is interesting. This is a characteristic of the US market. And if we can take a look about the SPN 500. And if you also trade in US, and you can obviously feeling that it's quite strong, and you SPN 500 also increase, right? Also in have a hit new high, and yesterday the profitable effect also increased 3%. So far is 53%. Okay, 53% compared to these three index. Actually, the Nasdaq is the strongest one because it represents the technology or the grow up and the new shares, right? And then the SPN 500 is kind of the average shares of the US, how to say, because the counters of this SPN 500 have 500 shares, right? So it can reflect the average level of the whole market. So if you're trading, you of course need to check this SPN 500. But of course, if you also trade the technology, you just follow the NASA, no problem. But if you also lay out in other sectors except the technology, you must take a look about this S&P 500. And then the Dow Jones is the traditional one. Okay, it's the classic and the number one index all over the world. So so far it's around 60 plus shares counters inside, cannot reflect the all. So you know that actually it's still a good chance for the investor invest in this US market, right? Okay, so far no big so far it's just a break of the previous high, and here is the overbought signal. This candle it's overbought signal, so we draw a line. Last 2 days already break out, right? Last 2 days already break out. So this is a US one. If you have any question, also welcome to WhatsApp me. We can have further talk about this one, especially your own individual shares, because I most of the people will trade local market, but actually they also keen to know the movement of the US. That's why I will put it here. And if you want to diagnose US shares, welcome to send your share code number and the price to 011 1652792. Okay, now we take a look about the KLCI. We take a look about the KLCI today. You can see my full screen. Make sure I am open my full screen. Okay, so here is the KLCI today. I'll make it bigger, and we still can draw a line about this one. We still can draw a line, and the longer term, this one I don't know how to save. This is for medium long term. So the KLCI whole market go to sideways for almost 2 months already, right? Almost 2 months already. And before we also said if the index go sideways within this box still safe for you, the chance still remains. But at this day, it's kind of a breakdown. The half price of this box means the whole market become weak, but still remains. And then these 2 days, these 2 days have two times, these two candlestick break down the box, but it soon rebounds back, especially yesterday, bounce back strongly, driven by the healthcare. Healthcare yesterday totally have 700 or 7% bounce back is very, very strong one. So I think short-term traders must have make money already. And if you have been stuck before yesterday, I think you also kind of make even or make slightly profit, right? And today, this morning is kind of open high and close, goes low. Okay, now market haven't finished yet, but you can see yesterday we have also joined another short-term trend. Short-term trend. We can just draw from here. Okay, just draw from here. Okay, sorry. We just draw a line here from here, no problem. Just draw a line here. So you can see the price is kind of get resistance here. Yesterday we draw this line, right? We draw this line. We draw this line. So maybe try again. Try again. Like this. Okay, like this. So you can see kind of a downward trend channel. And we know that now the price is just, how to say, get resistant by this line. Okay, just get resistant. Yesterday haven't break out. Okay, haven't break out. Even have so big rally, but haven't break out. Today also open high and close low. If today after the market open in the afternoon, it can stand above the channel, and then it's very good. Okay, then it's very good. If cannot, it may be then keep going down to this channel, and here have a further drop. But if it break down here, it not only break down this box, but then have another channel here. Okay, so be careful about this one. This is a KLCI. And then now we take a look about the healthcare, okay, because this is the topic today, so I can show you the chart of yesterday, okay, chart of yesterday's sector here. This is the healthcare chart, daily chart of yesterday, not today, not today. And we can see if we want how to analyze the whole glove one, because still have some investor, if they don't know how to analyze, they cannot know, is it the real time of the, is it the right time for you to buy low, okay, average down, or just need to sell to run. So I put it here, you need to check two things. The first thing, the direction, whether the direction break through the regularities before. And the second thing is the funds. We need to check the funds. If you are the first time to listen my video, you know that the fund is very important for the price, okay, especially to check whether the price, whether the shares can continue in uptrend or not. You need to check the funds, especially the big funds, okay. We always call it institutional funds, and the bankers, or call it the bankers. We always use their funds to verify or confirm this direction is still healthy or it's just a trap. So basically, we focus on the bankers movement and the retailers movement. So we can take a look about this healthcare. Healthcare, okay, one thing, the direction, before we take a look about this white line. White line is a boundary of bull and bearish. Of course, it's very strong. But in this healthcare, considering it's a very strong share, we just focus on this line, okay, the green line, actually the green line. There are different group lines. They are, okay, the yellow line, which is also close to the current price. Yellow line is the medium short term, let's say 2 to 3 months like that, okay, 2 to 3 months. Then the red line is short-term trend, okay, short-term trend, less than 1 month. So how to check the direction is breakthrough or not, means the regularity is breaking down or not. So we can check here before this correction. Before, I think you still can remember clearly, especially this candle. You see, at that day, in the real time, I dropped a lot, so still have a lot of people remember that time. And then have around a month's correction, but it didn't break down the green line, okay. The green line is the fourth line of the red line, so it also belongs to the medium short term, okay, short term, less than 1 month. Okay, let's say or one, okay, it's between the short term and the medium term. So the green line is kind of for let's say 1 month, okay, like that. But it's okay, no problem. What's the exact parameter of the green line doesn't matter. But we can see last time the correction didn't break down. Okay, let's see yesterday. Okay, yesterday or recent correction of the healthcare sector. We check the whole sector first. It's very important. And we see last Friday, no, Monday. Okay, Monday it kind of break down, but yesterday it bounced back. So it cannot say break down successfully, right? So I just get support by here. So the whole healthcare haven't, how to say, the regularity haven't break down yet. Okay, break down yet. So means it's still in uptrend and it's still in health in very healthy correction, healthy correction. It just that this time the duration is lower than last time. Last time is longer term but slowly down, slowly down. But this time in very short term and it drop a lot. Okay, so the whole trend is still good. And their banker chips so far yesterday is 72%. Even before the lowest one is also have 60% plus 68%, I think. So it's still safe uptrend, still safe correction. When we mention about the safe correction is their, is their shakeout time in uptrend, like this one now I show you here. This one we have shown you the picture before. This is the whole chart of the banker's operation. So the retracement, okay, is the safe correction we said. It's still in uptrend. It's just the bankers want to shake it out and then they push up again. Okay, push up again. But is it the right time of the glove to push up again? Seems a little bit early. Okay, why I say like that? Let's see the individual shares of the glove one. Okay, we can start. I put the glove one together. We can just how to say, take a look. Okay, take a look. All of these strong shares of glove one. Which one is relative more strong? Which of them is kind of a weak one? So first thing, we take a look about the direction first. This is the top glove. This one is Supermax. So you can see the trend. Okay, the trend. This is daily chart. Okay, daily chart of yesterday. Daily chart of yesterday. So far on this glove compared to last time, is actually also break down the green already, right? Break down the green already. Before didn't break down the green line, but this time already break down. Supermax also break down. Okay, and then this is a Hatha Lega breakdown and further compared to last time. Okay, compared to last time. And the cosine also breakdown even till to the last line of the yellow line. And then continue. K plus haven't breakdown. Okay, haven't breakdown. So it's a more compare, how to say, more safe. Okay, more safe, and it's very healthy correction. And this is a HLT. HLT also haven't. Okay, also haven't breakdown. And then next one, this is comfort. Comfort is the strongest one, strongest correction, because it not only break down the yellow line, but it trying to break down the yellow lines here. So it's very deep correction, but actually yesterday it bounced back. So it haven't break down the yellow successfully, can only say break down the green line. So far it still get resistant by the green line. If it cannot break out the green line, still very dangerous. Only for short-term chance, long-term need to wait for a while. Then last one, Advanta. Advanta break down the yellow line. Okay, so far we see only the K plus and the HLT, right? HLT is standing, right? The direction is okay, but we see is it enough for us to the direction? Actually we need another one, funds to confirm. Okay, now we see the funds. Okay, we know all this glove one is their bankers more than 50%, means it's still strong, controlled by the bankers, just which one the chance is bigger, which one is chance is smaller, right? So we to confirm. Okay, we take a look about, we look about the bankers if they keep increasing or remain. And then second thing, we check about the retailers, the green retailers, if they disappeared or not is very important. So Top Glove, okay, this one, Top Glove, 0 axis yesterday, almost none, okay, very good one. So even it already break down, you know, it's kind of faked one. Okay, it's kind of faked one. This breakdown haven't been confirmed, so we can just take it as a faked one because yesterday already, okay, the retailers gone already, and the second one, Supermax haven't breakdown, okay, haven't breakdown because it bounced back, right, bounced back, and the retailers still have a little bit. Why I will see here, talk about this retailer, we can also see before, this time the correction also have retailers appeared here, means what? Some people chasing high here, especially for starters, chasing high here and then they didn't sell and then they get stuck here. Only they cut loss, then the bankers absorbing the chips again and they can push up again. So you can see the chart is like this, the chart. So you can see if we draw a box here, if we draw a box here, so if here is the day of the bankers of the retailers 0, here is the retailer 0. So you see later on bankers push up very without how to say resistance. Okay, and here also seems the same, right? Also seems the same here, trying to break out. Okay, trying to fly. So far is also the similar one. Okay, then Supermax still have some retailers. Even the retailers keep decreasing, but still have some. Okay, means that it will not increase so smooth. Maybe have some sideway, right, sideway. And then next one. This is Hada. Okay, Hada, their retailer still remains. Corsan remains. But actually they reduce. Okay, this one, K plus reduce. This one, you see, didn't break down. The direction is good. Only these two direction is good. Didn't break through the green line, but these two shares still have some retailers. So means that not means it's a faked one, faked direction, but means that it's not so quickly for them to push up so fast. They still have time to digest this retailer. Okay, they need to got time to digest this retailer. And then the comfort also have retailers decrease, and the Advanta also have some retailers here. So okay, this is the analyze. Okay, before today's market, you need to analyze, which is very important. Okay, now I will take a look about your share. Okay, in today's chart, how should we do? Okay, let me open today's chart first. And I also see many comments here you left. Where is the chart? Okay, here. We can also combine with your questions now. And you're not too late to see this video still can review, no problem. Okay, start with the, okay, we can check about so many comparison one. Detail survey. Hold on. Okay, I think I better just show you here. Okay. Okay, we can just start with the K plus, no problem. K plus, and we know that the K plus yesterday we have analyzed, okay, analyzed. For first thing in the daily chart just now I already analyzed. So you see today is also open high, okay, open high standing above the green line, no problem. So far still have a little bit retailers here. This is the thing we need to solve. So if for medium long term, still safe for you to hold even from this day, from August. This is August 5th. From August 5th till now, long-term, medium long-term investor no need to sell at all because still very safe. If you use the trend expert, you see standing above the purple line, very safe. Okay, if you're the first time to watch my live, you know that, okay, this purple line shows you the trend is medium long-term. And then the red bar is a short-term uptrend. So green to red bar is the entry point, red to green is the sell point. But as we see, we want to find the regularity. That's why I put the rainbow here. Also can a rainbow here. Okay, rainbow standing above the green line. Okay, if medium short term, yesterday we also shared in 60-minute chart. K plus is the only one share have showed this higher low, okay, higher low. So yesterday I also shared here, and yesterday I said it's aggressive for you to enter here, but compared to other share, this one have bottom deviation, and then more safe for you to enter here. And we can see now hourly chart already have sell point. Okay, I will make it bigger. Red turns green already. So if you just do few days, you can sell now, right? Because the red bar turns green bar already. But one thing, a little bit need to confirmation is we confirmed with these bankers. You can see the bankers, okay, compare 1% slightly drop. The purple one, the green retailers also remains. So it's kind of what, and the bar is very thin, very thin. You see the length of the bar shows the momentum of the price, okay, shows the momentum of the price. So when the bar is very thin, means the momentum is very weak. So even it turned to green color, you can ignore. It's not so okay, it's not so effective because the momentum is so slow. But if in this afternoon, later on it become thinner, you can take a profit, no problem for middle short term. So if yesterday you just buy when the bar break through the chief line and you sell here, you can see 6 hours you make 3.5%. But more aggressive investor, okay, they may buy here because I also said have deviation, higher low already. You buy here and till now you have a 22%, okay, for medium short term like this. Then if for intraday, we take a look about this tick chart. Tick chart and the beginning before 10 o'clock, okay, around here, the time is 9:45. Before here you can make money. So from here to here is around 5% maybe, and later on you break down, you can just give up. Okay, give up. If you also want to make money about this rebound, then you can buy that, no problem. But actually have two times to trying to break through this yellow line, but failed. So now it's kind of force move sideways in this downtrend, and in the tick chart the bankers also decrease till after 12 o'clock, no bankers anymore. Most of them is yellow one. So before the bankers in the tick chart can increase in, then you have bigger chance. Otherwise, it's very short term. Okay, so we can see this is the for tick chart, no big chance except from here. Okay, if you cannot see it clearly, we can also go to 1 minute chart. Homely survey, the real time also have 1 minute chart. I can show you. So today, today is around where? Here. Okay, I will make it bigger. So here is yesterday. Today is here, around here. So for intraday, your entry price is here, okay? Because when the market open, there's no entry point. So you need to wait the correction finished and then you buy here. So you buy here is around 9 line 13. Later on, you just okay take a profit here. So very slight profit, right? Very slight profit. Very slight profit on 1.6%, very slight one. Because from the tick chart, you see, it just dropped below this yellow line. So about this K plus, you don't have any question, and okay, also take a look about the glove, because this is the one also standing above one, but retailers gone already. So we can see retailers today also know, right? So, and the bankers is kind of remains. So still safe, but it's kind of sideways here. Then for medium short term, we go to hourly chart. Haven't turned to green one. Okay, so actually it's similar to K plus. K plus is turned to yellow, turned to green already, but it's very thin. So these two means that both of the shares go sideways. So if for medium short term, top growth yesterday here combined. Why? Because I said their how to say their daily chart low retailers, and it didn't break through, right? But if you want more safe, buy here also can. From here to here, okay, totally 10%, 10 hours, 16%, 17%, or like this. So after I check in, you don't have okay HLT 0 from summary. HLT also is belongs to the share, have a breakdown the trend, right? Break down the trend for short term. For short term, and if for medium short term, we go to hourly chart. Hourly chart is like haven't got sell point yet. Okay, have no sell point yet, so you still can hold according to the software. We see the time. So it's still red color, still can hold, right? If you have this share before, no matter you're chasing high before or you just buy yesterday, so far it's still red color. Okay, still red color. You no need to sell, but actually this is also a share with retailers exist. So maybe it's not so smoothly, okay, in this rally. And for medium long term also have buy points because this is daily chart already. There are green buttons to red bar already according to the software. So you can consider to connect. And but another thing is that because daily chart still have retailer exist here, so maybe it's not so smoothly. Just a reminder here. Maybe you just go sideways for a while and before it's pushing up and then the retailer's gone, right? And I see many of you leave for some shares. It's not belongs to the glove low problem. I will diagnosis for you first. And okay, another glove one from 10 0182 LKL. LKL, we also can take a look about their daily chart first. Daily chart, and we also use the rainbow to check the direction. The direction is kind of didn't break down, also supported by the yellow lines here, and actually still have almost 15% retailers in. Bankers is the 76%. This is yesterday's chart, and when we see today have 5% rally today, 5% rally, and the retailer still remains there. So be careful. And for medium short term, your entry price is today 115, and or needs to enter this Friday to confirm again, or lower down today. You want to lower down. So if your medium short term, actually today have low buy points. No buy point. The buy point is yesterday. Here is 11 o'clock yesterday. Another buy point is yesterday 5 o'clock. So today no buy points if you do medium short term. But I guess you are intraday because you say you entry today intraday. But medium short term low sell point because still green red color. And then daily tick chart for intraday. Intraday today no good chance because you can see after 10 o'clock it also break down the yellow line and haven't breakout, trying to but haven't breakout. So from here to here also only around 4%, 5%. Now it's still in downward. Okay, in downward. So your question is that can you lower average down lah? Means that if you you buy 115, where's 115? Let me check. 115 is around here. Maybe you buy when the market open, right? Market open. But actually, if you're intraday, you should sell here already, because it's below yellow line already. This is one thing. For medium short term, today, if you entry a little bit chasing high, of course, now is not a good time for you to average down because still no good chance for you to entry. If you want to, okay, you can wait the trend expert turns to green and then green turn to red again, then you can buy. Now cannot, okay, because the SOFE, the trend expert haven't remind you to haven't appeared that one for you. And in the daily chart still have some retailers here. You see, retailers have 15% compared to other glove one is more heavy. The retailers get stuck here. Okay, this is the one. Comark from Hand On Hoy. Comark. Comark, I guess in the top gainers today, okay, take a look about the top gainers. You just click the quotes. Comark is here, okay. So what is the question? So from Hand, you bought at the 5-6, okay. Congratulations. Today this share fly. Today this share fly. So actually we can see from the daily chart yesterday, this share, you see, the bankers, okay, all retailers gone already yesterday. So today, you see, easy for the bankers to push up. Why reach these retailers gone? You see, means that the bankers already finished this shake-up. Means almost all the retailers which chasing high before, they just cut loss. And then the bankers collect all the chips, then they can push up, relax. If still have retailers in this correction, the cost of the bankers still very high. They would not push up so fast. Okay, so that's the reason why you always feel that once you sell the price up, once you buy the price down. Okay, once you buy here, price down, once you sell, you price up. The bankers will also waiting for you to sell. Then they will push up the price. So if you don't have the software and you don't have a very good feeling about this one, better you have this software. Software can tell you the objective things happened. Okay, will make you more calmly in this market. Comark. So congratulations so them, and you want to not them Hannah on July 27 before July 27 or here earlier you think you trade medium long term long term still can hold no problem, right? Because it's still standing above this chief line, very safe one. Even here have correction, but you can see the whole trend is still standing above this purple line, still very safe. For short term, also have intraday, also have a very good chance. You see in this 1 minute chart tick chart from here, the time here is when 11:32. Can you see the time here? When the price break up the yellow line, 11:32 you buy, and until now you have almost 20% for intraday, and also have the bankers in the mini chart to verify, make you relax. You no need to make money with cautious. If you don't have the software, you don't have a method, you always be worried, even your shares fly. So because afraid of how to say you afraid you drop again if you don't know, if you cannot see it clearly. This is the Comark so far still can hold because it didn't show the sell point. We will call out the trend ladder still red bar, but for intraday investor this afternoon, later on if it turns green, like here, turns green is the first time to sell point, and later on the price break down the chief line of the trend ladder, the second sell point, the last sell point is when the price break down the yellow one, yellow yellow lines. And the Alvin LBS 5789. And your question, bought on Monday still can still hold. Advice when to sell for short term. Okay, 5789 LBS. This share, firstly, I don't know the reason why you want to buy this share. The long trend, okay, the longer term, yeah, I guess I analyzed yesterday. Yesterday I analyzed already, is for short term only because it's kind of rebound, okay, long term. Then in the daily chart, their bankers, okay, yesterday is only 21%, but the good thing is no retailer, okay, no retailer, good thing. And we can see today, today is 6%, okay, 6% increase. And till now, still no retailers. This is very good, means it's kind of safe. Even have a little bit correction is very normal one. Okay, normal one. But we need to see, yesterday we also talk about this resistance before, right? Yesterday. Today is kind of standing above this correction. If for short term, you go to hourly chart. Hourly chart, okay, hourly chart still hold. And then let's get back to the long term. We see the price of the resistance. If you draw the lines here, okay, you draw the lines here. Is trying to break out. Okay, the price is currently, so it's like it's around 39. It's around 39 now. The price is 42 already. Need another 2 days to confirm. If we go to daily chart, need another 2 days to confirm if it can stand in above 39 firmly. Okay, firmly. If yes, then you can still hold. But if it just a faked breakout, be careful because this share is just how to say the fifth days with the bankers more than 50%. So far is safe, but from analyze of their trend, still have some resistance in short term. Okay, this is the 5789 for Alvin. For Alvin, when to sell for short term? I already shared in this hourly chart because you do short term. In this hourly chart, you use Trend Expert. It turn to green and then you can take a profit. For example, here you buy here and then when turn to green, you sell. So from here, you buy and then you sell. You can calculate. Totally is 17 hours. You make 15%. And later on, you can buy it back here again until now you hold. So it's 4 hours, we have 3.7%. Okay. And Charlie 70070 Vivo Zoom Vizone with one. Enterprise is a 0.43 before right issue on warrant. Before right issue. So the whole trend of this share is okay. When we call out the rainbow, you see below the yellow, below the white line. So how about okay before right issue on warrant? So the trend is not so good. Can only do short term. You see from this day, June 10th. Okay, this day is June 10th. Trying to break up the blue line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, but failed. Okay, failed. So still have a strong resistance. Even you have rally, okay, still need to be careful to short term because have strong resistance. Considering you're asking about the right issue, or not, actually it will not influence the trend a lot, maybe in very short term. Then if you also do very short term, I mean intraday, you just go to the intraday directly. You see today, no big chance because in the tick chart, no bankers to double confirm, even is standing above the yellow line, okay, even standing above the yellow line, but no big capital gain because no bankers pushing up. Question already diagnosis, then can you do demo for robot AI? Cannot. Okay. if you, okay, if members are, I need to remind the AI robot class for members is not yet, it's not Friday, is tomorrow 2 p.m. I will update the new their class for you. But I will not show here, sorry. Okay, Mr. Lee, 7317 7315. Okay, this is HHB, very strong one. Trend is so classic. One red, one green. So Friday will green again, still hold or not? I think you can analyze yourself already. I check your analyze method before. It's quite okay. HHB, and it's also fully controlled by the bankers. It's kind of a safe one, right? Safe one. And we can take a look about today's chart, 7315. Today, it didn't open, right? Didn't open. So far trend, no problem. So far trend, okay. Not this one, sorry. 7315. Today correction. Today correction, but it's normal one. As you counted already. Yeah, it's these regularities. Okay. So far it's a very safe one. Okay. No retailers, bankers more than 80%. It's quite strong. Okay. And so many. Oh, okay. I will check. Yes, some people already asked about this price of the survey. Later, I will show you, no problem. And okay, looks in. Hold on. Oh, from Silva, XOX, XOX, your entry price is 2.05, 2.20 around yesterday. I guess you entry yesterday. So XOX is also strong correction. We take a look about here. Okay, take a look about here. It's correction, and but you see, even it just trying to break out the green line, but their funds haven't verified. Funds decreased a lot. Yesterday is 31%, 31%. And this is very fast. Better to medium short term can make the full use of your capital, your funds. So it corrects a lot. Okay, corrects a lot. Yesterday also no buy point. So if you do intraday, okay, we can check for you today. Intraday you have some chance, but already also breakdown here after this is 10 o'clock. Okay, should sell. And but later on trying to break up again at the 12 o'clock, trying to break out and have the bankers verify. So if this afternoon can stable or standing above this yellow line, you still can hold, sure, no problem. Okay, from Silva and Nicole is lotion. Notion you want to buy, okay? We take a look about the Notion first. Notion, this is Notion. Notion is very volatile if you want to buy, because yesterday you tell me you are kind of a medium long term. So if medium long term, this best strategy for this very volatile share is medium short term or short term. Long term is very kind of not so efficient, And then we take a look at today's chart of this Notion. Okay, this Notion still open high and close goes low. Banker chips is around 72%. Okay, 72%. And if for longer term, we can also take a look about the chart. Yesterday have buy point already. So if you can stand so big correction, then okay for you, okay for you. And if the chart didn't break down the chip line, still can hold, no problem. And from okay, and then Lizam 0119, okay, 0119. And your question is can still hold in medium long term, 0119. Okay, from longer term, okay, we can take a look about the weekly chart, okay, and the quarterly chart. If in this quarterly chart you already break out, right, it's kind of a very strong one. Long term, no problem, because no big resistance. For short term, also the bankers more than 89% is quite safe, 0119. Okay, today also have another 4% increase. And then another question of you is that still have chance in intraday. We go to 1 minute chart, also have their chance today, but not so big because have chance because the price standing above the yellow line. No big chance because in the real time, no not much banker tips here. So later on at the 12 o'clock, 12:27, have bankers increase a little bit. So actually you can if this afternoon can remain and the increase is your another chance to add more, right? Add more or just keep holding on. This is from yours. And also, some of you ask be about the price of this software. I can show you here. Okay, here is we have two package, right? Two package of the Homely software. The more worthy one is a lifetime package, 12,209. You can buy the software and for permanent use, low extra fee. At the same time, we will give you another real-time version, PC real-time version and mobile version. Mobile version 1 year for free is 2980. Okay, and you can also take the half year package as a trial, 2,500 plus. You can use the software for 6 months. Both of this package, you can attend lifetime training course. It's very, very worthy. All the chatting things and some of the fundamental things you can learn from the Homely. This is a characteristic of this chart. And we will have 700 ringgit price up soon. Okay, 700 ringgit price up soon. So better earn this software earlier, right? This is the purchase line. You can just call this line to purchase the software soon. 011-1652-7962. And yeah, this is the one. And of course, we have a branch in different places, KL Central, JP Austin High, and the PG Hotel Royal. So you can also contact me if you want to know more details in the office or online presentation. No problem. So here's almost all for today's sharing, today's diagnosis. If you want to diagnosis more, you can send to my WhatsApp, and also tonight have open class. Okay, have preview class tonight. I can show you tonight, 8 o'clock. Tonight, 8 o'clock, we have a class. Tonight, 8 o'clock. So if you want to know more details with this class, 1 hour and a half, we will show you all the system, all the more details about the system. Okay, more details about the system. And then you can attend the class. And at the same time, we have another class in this weekend if you cannot attend this afternoon, this tonight. Another one is this Banker Hunter Club this weekend. Sunday is Mandarin version and Sunday is English version. You can send LZ to 011-1652-7962 to attend it for free. The top game of the Banker Hunter. Okay, so that's all for today's class, today's sharing. So if you can benefit a little bit, please share, give me a like, and then share this video to your friends. And gonna see you Friday. Okay, thank you very much and see you.
我不放下你，我想確定每日挽住同樣的手臂，不敢總是要來陪住你。我已試夠別離並不很凄美，我還如何撇下你？細水沖走幾個愛人與知己，抬頭命運射燈光柱找下來，剩我跟